Forgiveness processes. Forgiveness includes processes that involve a decision to stop bitterness and thoughts of revenge. There's the decisional forgiveness, and motivates the forgiver towards the restoration of positive emotions, emotional forgiveness. Now, those are their words. Again, I'm not sold on that. I'm kind of okay with just the release of the negative emotions. I don't know that a restoration of positive emotions needs to be restored. Facilitators of forgiveness, solidarity-oriented personality. So if your personality is one that is more oriented toward, we're going to do this, okay, that, as well as perceived partners, reconciliation motivation, facilitated benign attributions and empathy, leading to higher levels of decisional forgiveness, which promoted emotional forgiveness. So that's a long sentence there. Let me break it down. So here they found, okay, how do you get to emotional forgiveness? Decisional forgiveness. How do you get to decisional forgiveness? Which again is that over and over, I'm deciding in this moment, I'm going to release you. In this moment, I'm releasing you. In this moment, I'm releasing you. Two things. Number one, there's a personality thing here. My personality has to be more solidarity oriented. In other words, I'm a team player. We're in this together. But the other thing is perceived partners reconciliation motivation. Do I see that the other person is really highly motivated to be reconciled to me? If I can see that the other person is really motivated for the reconciliation, which is going to require providing safety and stability, changed behavior, addressing the unjust dynamics, all of those sorts of things, I am more likely to choose decisional forgiveness along the way. That's that consistency over time piece. Strength of marital bond. Strength of the marital bond before the infidelity directly predicts higher levels of emotional forgiveness. So if you had a really terrible marriage beforehand, it is harder. I'm just being real with you. It is harder to get to emotional forgiveness.